Today we're going to install a Pypes Performance Exhaust catback on a 02 to 08 Dodge Ram. The tools needed for the install are reciprocating saw with metal blades, impact wrench with 1/2-inch drive, 15mm socket, 9/16 socket and extensions, penetrating oil spray. Begin by removing the existing exhaust, starting with the tailpipe first. Cut the tailpipe off just behind the muffler. Remove the pipe from the muffler to the catalytic converter. You can now install the two tailpipes by sliding on HVH 17S clamps at the end of each tailpipe. Insert them into the existing insulator hangers. Install two HVH 11S hangers. Install the over-the-axle pipe on the driver's side using an HVC 50 clamp. Install the muffler onto the tailpipes and snug the clamps. Install the proper mid-pipe for your application. Be sure to slide the necessary clamps onto the pipe before sliding the mid-pipe into the muffler. Install the PVT-10 S-bend tailpipe extensions with HVC 50 clamps. Install the tips using the HVC 21 clamps. Finish the system by making all of your final adjustments to the position of the muffler, over the axle pipes, tailpipes, and tips. Now tighten all the clamps and hangers in the desired locations. All clamps should be tightened to 65 foot-pounds and should be checked after the first 50 miles. Now it's time to fire it up.